and carry people. Let's experience. Which vehicle do you want to choose? Truck. I'm Kiki, the truck driver. This is the work we need to complete today. Let's get to work. Before we go, let's have the vehicle checked. Uh-oh, we're low on gas. Let's refuel the vehicle. The vehicle is gassed up. Now it is ready for action. The rear view mirrors are clean. The tire is fine. The license plate is fine. Great! The maintenance is finished. Let's load it up. Drag the goods into the vehicle. There's not enough room here. There's not enough room here. Great! The loading is done. Fasten your seatbelt and get ready to go. Drive the truck to deliver goods. We have to avoid the obstacles on the road. Yeah! We made it to our destination! Help me unload the goods! Well done! See you next time!